This video will cover the replacement of a 12-volt injection pump solenoid on a 1982 Volvo 240 D24. This can be completed over a coffee break. Start by disconnecting and removing your vacuum pump via the top and bottom nuts, securing it to the head. Disconnect your throttle spool via the 3 screws, securing it to the injection pump. Using an injection line wrench, remove the fuel hard lines from the case and the pump. Disconnect the 12-volt wire lead to the solenoid. Remove the spade from the solenoid by unscrewing the nut. Use an open-ended wrench to unscrew the solenoid itself. Do not leave the solenoid plunger inside the pump. Open and inspect your new solenoid. Seat the new solenoid into the injection pump. Resecure the electrical spade and reconnect your 12-volt wire lead. Reconnect your vacuum pump. Reconnect your fuel hard lines. Reconnect your throttle spool. Start your engine and bleed your hard lines of any air by loosening each hardline nut at the head one at a time for a second or two and retightening. After that, you're all done. Enjoy your Volvo 240 D24.